Hello everyone, this is Carmen Hernandez, a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service in Peachtree City, here to give you your weekly weather briefing starting today through December 18th. Taking a look at the week ahead, we're not really expecting much risk for this week with seasonal temps through the week with a slow warming trend through the week. And we're also expecting a rainy week ahead for mainly North Georgia, which we'll get more into, but could see multiple rounds of precipitation beginning Sunday night into Wednesday, although details are still a little fuzzy on that. So going back, rewinding to the past 3 days, as you can see on this map, we had areas of 3 to 5 inches with locally higher amounts. As you can see that area highlighted there, we had areas of 5 to 6 inches observed over the past 3 days, quite a bit of rainfall that we observed, especially on Tuesday. Then we have two rivers currently in minor flood on the downward swing right now, and these are highlighted here. And then we have a couple others that may go into minor flood into this coming weekend. Taking a look at our current conditions, we are seeing mostly clear skies today, where you can see a little bit of cloud cover north of Tennessee with a stationary boundary, and then off the coast of Florida, all the cloud cover associated with that cold front that pushed through the other day. For tonight's low temperatures, we are looking at temps 5 to 10 degrees below normal tonight, with some upper 20s in the higher elevations, but overall we're looking at mid 30s for much of the area. So starting off for the weekend, Friday and Saturday, we're looking at that high pressure in the area with dry weather and warming temperatures just slightly. But then we're looking at rain chances increasing Sunday for North Georgia ahead of that front that you see over the mid-Mississippi Valley into Texas. So for the temps this weekend, we're seeing close to seasonal temps with temps in the mid-50s, and then you can see on Sunday those high temps going into the mid to upper 40s as the wedging takes place in northeast Georgia. And then for our low temperatures, we are looking at temps slowly warming up with Friday into Sunday with temps in the mid to upper 30s and then warming into the low to mid 40s. So taking a look further deep dive into that rainfall through the rest of this week, we're looking at multiple fronts approaching the area, but maybe not quite making it there. Maybe not quite making it through North Georgia, and that's going to increase our rain chances for North Georgia almost every single day. As you can see on Monday and Tuesday, we're starting to see those increases especially. And then Wednesday and Thursday, it looks a little convoluted with all these fronts on this map on Wednesday, but that's because of some of the uncertainty right now. But overall, just expecting a second round of rainfall Wednesday and Thursday, potentially pretty much every day through the week, with maybe going into next weekend a little higher chances. But overall, all these we are expecting to be light in nature, and you'll see on the precipitation amounts how light we're expecting that to be. So overall, not too much of an impact with this rainfall. For that 7-day precipitation outlook, we're looking at areas, current amounts in areas less than 2 inches, with our highest amounts being in northwest Georgia, but as you can see over there, even over the Atlanta area, amounts less than half an inch over the next 7 days. So although we are seeing a few rounds of rainfall Sunday through Thursday, not expecting too much impacts with this, with no flooding impacts expected either. There is a 10 to 15% chance, depending on what part you are in northwest Georgia, of seeing greater than 2 inches over that 3-day period. But so overall, pretty low chances, pretty low impact this week. For the drought monitor, we did see improvements to the area highlighted here from D0 to no drought, but overall there were no big changes this week, with the drought area remaining similar to the previous update. For your 7-day temperature outlook, temperatures across the area are going to slowly warm into early next week, but overall we're staying seasonable through Thursday next week, and with those fronts kind of approaching the area but maybe not pushing through fully or being very weak in nature, we're not expecting those wild temperature swings that we've been experiencing these past couple of weeks, so temps will stay pretty moderated through this area. Feel free to pause to find your location or closest city, and don't forget you can visit our website at weather.gov/FFC for detailed information about your location. For that 6 to 10 day outlook, just looking a little further into next week, we're seeing leaning above normal for temperatures and then a near normal expecting for precipitation over the 6 to 10 day outlook. And then just wrapping it up with the week ahead, again, we're not really expecting many impacts to the area, so that's why I went level 1 through Wednesday, was seasonal temps through the week with a slow warming trend through that, but pretty moderate temperatures. And then we're expecting a rainy week ahead for North Georgia, with seeing multiple rounds of precipitation possible beginning Sunday night into Wednesday. But with rainfall totals less than 2 inches in this area, we're not expecting any major impacts or anything like that. And as always, feel free to contact us. We are here 24/7, 365. So if you have any questions or want to reach out to us, feel free to do so in any of these means. Thank you. Have a great day.